How to create a QR code for your WhatsApp number, everyone. As you can see on the screen, this is my WhatsApp QR code. A lot of people think you need to use an external app to create it, but you don't, okay? I'm going to show you that WhatsApp itself already does this for you. Let me go back here. Basically, in your WhatsApp, you click on the three dots, go to settings, and you'll come to this page. Here on this page, notice that your name is there, and right next to it is the QR code symbol. You can click on it. Click it. As you can see, the QR code has already been generated. It's right here. Here you can share it. You simply click this icon up here. It will open up and you can send it via Gmail. You can send it through WhatsApp anyway. If you want to send it by email, just click on email. It will be attached and the person can already add you on WhatsApp. You just need to enter who you're sending it to, specify the recipient, and click the arrow to send. Sent. So that's how you create a QR code for a WhatsApp number. It's simple and fast. If I helped you, subscribe to the channel.